In an ideal world, all of our gardens look as beautiful as this one in the spring and summer months, with our box hedges and plants remaining green and luscious. It's also the most active time for gardeners to maintain their box trees, a popular evergreen that is perfect for your home. Unfortunately, spring is when box tree moths start to become active. The box tree moth is now considered to be a common resident, especially in southeast England, and its favourite target is your plants. The caterpillars consume box leaves and produce webbing over their feeding area, and are notorious for being too small to notice until swarms are present. Not only do these pests completely ruin the aesthetic of your ornamental plants, they can also cause complete defoliation and destruction. If you're trying to maintain a healthy garden, it would be ideal to have a quick and easy solution to control the population of these insects. This is why Andermatt is here to show you the box tree moth trap, a simple and effective solution to trap and kill adult box tree moths. Easy to set up, the trap contains a natural scent produced by female moths to attract a male mate. Once lured, they're stuck inside the trap and are eliminated. This prevents breeding and egg laying, stopping the hatching of caterpillars, and you can see the results inside of the trap for yourself. To begin, add 5 cm of water and a drop of detergent to the clear base of the trap to prevent trapped moths escaping. Open the pheromone lure and insert the lure into the top of the trap, shown here. The lure should be placed in the basket built into the lid of the trap and not within the clear base. Then hang the trap, sit back and relax. It's really that easy. The trap should be used when adult moths are expected to be active throughout April to October and set up in an area where susceptible plants are growing. For future use, pheromone lures need to be used within 18 months of purchase, replaced within 6 weeks, and can be bought online to work with existing traps that can be reused for years to come. Don't let box tree moths feast on your plants any longer. Buy your trap today at andermattgarden.co.uk.